play rap music. But we can play a lot of other things. The group that I direct, the last thing, well, actually this year we're playing something from Trans-Siberian Orchestra. So that's a lot of fun to try to take something that's done on electric and bass guitar and make it happen on a handbell. So it's very possible. So the reason I bring that up is that our next song could not be any more different than the last one, because this one has buffalo gals and chopsticks in it. So, you ready?